Let me ask you something. You're young, right? Full of energy, dreams, and aspirations. The world is your oyster, and you have the potential to shape your destiny. But, have you ever paused to consider the path you're on, just starting out, got your whole life ahead of you? The choices you make now will echo through the years. Every decision, every step you take will build the foundation of your future. It's an exciting yet daunting thought, isn't it? But have you ever stopped to think about what that life is going to look like? Not just the immediate future, but the long-term vision. Where do you see yourself in 10, 20, or even 30 years? What kind of life do you want to lead? I'm talking about the big picture, the grand scheme of things. It's not just about the next paycheck or the next promotion. It's about creating a life that is fulfilling and meaningful. A life where you have the freedom to pursue your passions, the things that really matter, financial freedom, security, the ability to pursue your dreams without being held back by money. Imagine a future where you are not constantly worried about bills or debts, a future where you can focus on what truly makes you happy. That's the future you should be working towards, starting now. When it comes to investing, time is your greatest ally. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. It's like planting a tree. The best time was 20 years ago, the second best is today. Let's break this whole investing thing down. Investing is like planting a seed for your future. Invest in something and watch it potentially multiply over time. Most people wait until they're older to think about investing, but the earlier you start, the less you have to worry about it later. It's about making smart choices now for a brighter financial future. Planting your financial seeds. So, how do you actually get started with investing as a teenager? It's easier than you might think. You need a place to put your money to work. That's where brokerage accounts come in. It's like a snowball of money. Once you've got your brokerage account set up, it's time to start thinking about what to invest in. It's about making consistent contributions over time and letting the power of compound interest work its magic. The stock market owning a piece of the pie. Let's talk stocks. The stock market can seem like a complex and intimidating place, but at its core, it's a marketplace where shares of publicly traded companies are bought and sold. Apple, Amazon, Tesla, these are all publicly traded companies. When you hear about these companies, you might think of their products or services, but there's another side to them. They're stocks. When you buy stock in a company, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of ownership in that company. This means you have a claim on part of the company's assets and earnings. The more shares you own, the larger your ownership stake. If the company does well, its value goes up, and so does the value of your slice. This is why investors are always on the lookout for companies with strong growth potential. That's the basic idea behind stocks. Investing in stocks can be a way to grow your wealth over time, but it's important to remember that it also comes with risks. Stock prices can go up and down, and there's no guarantee that you'll make a profit. However, with careful research and a long-term perspective, investing in stocks can be a rewarding endeavor. Investing in individual stocks can be risky, especially for beginners. That's where ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, come in. ETFs are like baskets of stocks that track a particular market sector or index. They offer instant diversification and are generally more cost-effective. Mutual funds are a popular investment option for those who prefer a hands-off approach. Managed by professionals, they research, analyze, and adjust holdings to maximize returns. Research funds and their expense ratios before investing. Stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds are just the beginning. Explore bonds, real estate, and even cryptocurrencies. Diversification helps mitigate risk and enhance returns. Knowledge is power. Do your homework. Educate yourself and understand the risks involved. Read books, follow reputable financial news sources, and consider taking an online course. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be. Start exploring your options and take that first step. Choosing your platform. Finding the right fit. Ready to dive into investing? Find the right brokerage account for you, like choosing sneakers for a marathon, comfortable and supportive. Opening your account, a simple process. Opening an account with an online brokerage is designed to be user-friendly and efficient. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to open your account. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your investment journey. This is usually a quick and straightforward process. Most platforms have streamlined their procedures to make it as hassle-free as possible. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, address, and social security number. Additionally, you might be asked for employment details and financial information to comply with regulatory requirements. Most online platforms offer instant approval, so you can start investing right away. Once your account is approved, you can fund it using various methods such as bank transfers or credit cards. This means you can begin exploring investment opportunities almost immediately. The ease and speed of this process make it accessible for everyone, from beginners to seasoned investors. So take the first step and open your account today to embark on your investment journey. Start small, think big. You don't need a small fortune to get started. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your investments grow. Picking your investments, building your portfolio. With your account funded, it's time to choose your investments. Start by revisiting your research on different investment options like ETFs and mutual funds. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Staying the course. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Congratulations, you're officially an investor. Now comes the most challenging part, staying the course. But remember, investing is a long game. You know, in the business world, everyone's always chasing the next big thing. But let me tell you something, those people, they rarely win in the long run. Just like a shark patiently stalking its prey, you need to be strategic and calculated. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Stay focused and disciplined. Now, it's tempting to follow the crowd, especially in the age of social media. But just because everyone else is doing something doesn't mean it's right for you. Remember, you have unique financial goals and risk tolerance. Think for yourself. The stock market can be a wild ride. It's easy to get caught up in the emotional roller coaster. Stick to your investment plan. Learning from mistakes, turning losses into lessons. Everyone makes mistakes, especially in investing. Learn from them and become a better investor. Analyze what went wrong. Did you do enough research? Every mistake is an opportunity for growth. Embrace those lessons and keep moving forward. Your financial journey. It's personal. Investing is a deeply personal journey. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. Focus on what's right for you. Seek advice from trusted sources. Remember, this is your journey. Join the movement. Fight financial illiteracy. Financial illiteracy is a silent epidemic. It's time to break the cycle. You know, when I started, I didn't come from money, but I'm telling you this, you don't have to go through it alone. By sharing your own investment journey, you can help others learn from your experiences. Investing can feel like a solitary pursuit, but it doesn't have to be that way. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your passion for financial literacy. Join online forums, attend local investment clubs, or start a conversation with someone you trust. The power of community lies in shared experiences, support, and accountability. The world of finance is constantly evolving. New investment opportunities arise and technology disrupts traditional approaches. Never stop learning. Stay updated on financial news, read books, and take online courses. So, there you have it. The power to shape your financial future is in your hands. All you need is the right knowledge and the willingness to take action. You're opening up a world of possibilities. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This all sounds great, but I'm young. Investing isn't about becoming obsessed with money. It's about giving yourself the freedom to live life on your own terms. That's the true power of financial freedom. Listen, the world of finance can be intimidating, but trust me, you're not alone. Connect with the community of young investors. Together, we can break down barriers and empower a new generation. We've reached the end of our journey today, but this is just the beginning of yours. Stay curious, stay informed, stay hungry for knowledge. Don't be afraid to ask questions and make mistakes. Take that first step today. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, but the second best time is now. Don't forget to check the link in the description, give us a like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to our channel to keep receiving valuable information.